In part 3 of our seminar, we're going to look at the distance between parallel lines, which isn't that much different than the distance between a pointed line. What we're going to do is we're going to pick a point on one of the lines, we're going to measure that perpendicular distance to the other line, and then we're going to find the distance. And here's another theorem. In a plane, if two lines are equal distance from a third line, then those two lines are parallel. So if you have three lines and two lines are parallel to the same line, then those two lines are parallel. That's pretty much what it's saying. On example 4, I want to find the distance between these two lines. One line is 2x plus 3. The other line is 2x minus 1. Let's graph those. So I'm going to go up 3. You need a pen there. Make that a tad bit thicker. And I'm going to go up 2 and over 1. I'm going to go down 2 to the left one, so I have 3 points, so it's easier to see the line there. Good. Then I'm going to pick my other line. I'm going to graph that too so I can see it. So this one has a slope of, or has a y-intercept of -1, still has a slope of 2. And my two lines are parallel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick this y-intercept. If I go down 1 and to the right 2, notice I'm not on the line, am I? So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to make the equation of this line. Down 2 and over 1. Oh, hold it. That does work out pretty nice, doesn't it? Down 1, 2, to the right 1. I miscounted. There's my perpendicular line. Then it seems like it goes through the point 1, 1, doesn't it? So really, I'm going to find the distance between 0, 3 and 1, 1. So let's use our distance formula. So distance is subtract the x's and square them. Subtract the y's and square them. So we're going to say 1 minus 3. Try that again. 1 minus 0 squared plus 1 minus 3 squared. I did the y's at first there, but we want to keep the same order. So we get 1 squared plus -2 squared. 1 squared is 1. -2 squared is 4. So we get the square root of 5. You might see that written as a decimal, so let's take a look at that on the calculator. See if I can find the here we go. Square root of 5. So 2.2. That's a rounded answer. So at this point, I'd like you to pause the video. Well, actually, I want to stop this video. See if you can do example 5 before you start the next seminar, or the next part of the seminar.